Hi guys, I'm back here. I'm Arfan also 132 and today I want to do a score off. I'm playing this Flappy Bird. It's actually Happy Bird. Yeah. I'm playing this Happy Bird for the first time and let's see my score. Yeah. My target is 15. Let's do it. Yep. Tap, okay. Yeah, I'm tapping. Oh, I even couldn't do one even. Oh, come on. Score best. Yeah, again. Yeah, come on, you can do it, bird. Come on, Flappy Flap. What? It really hurt. Yeah, I have to do 15. Score 15. Yeah. Oh, game over. My best is 2. Okay, so I have to do a score of 10 now. First time. Nope. It's too difficult. Yeah, I'm playing. Come on. Why is it too hard? You can do it, Flappy Bird. Yeah, come on, pressing it. I'm pressing it. I'm pressing it. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Oh God, Jesus Christ. Okay, I did a new score. I have to do best. I have to do my best. At least 10. At least 10. Oh, it's too hard. Come on, Flappy Bird. Or Happy Bird. I think you're unhappy. Standard Bird. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, it's going fine now. Yeah. What? Oh. I really hate you. Come on, Flappy Bird. I know you can do it. That's too hard. At least I have to do a score of 6. Oh, 10. Yeah, it's going fine. I hate that wall. I have a best score of 3. Yeah, it's going fine. Oh, game over. I just want to break my phone. Come on, Flappy Bird. Happy Bird. You know, bird? You suck. It's going fine. Yeah, I have a high score. Oh, it's 3. It's going to be 4. Yeah, come on. What? Why is it too difficult? Yeah, guys, it's too difficult. If you're gonna play this for the first time, you should know it's too difficult. Oh. Come on, you stupid idiot Microcent bird. Yeah, it's going fine. Five. Yeah, we have to do 10. Let's do it. I hate that bird. Mess yourself. What? Yeah, best 5. Okay, my target is 7 now. That's too difficult. I have to do 7, at least 7. Why is it too difficult? Yeah, it's going fine, but now it's just... Come on, Flappy Bird. I'm gonna pray to Jesus if you just do a score of 7 at least. 1 score, 2. Why is it too difficult? At least 6. Okay guys, I don't wanna play now. And please guys, like, subscribe, and give a big thumbs up. Peace!